In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go full screen on Google Chrome on Windows. If you want to focus on a web page, video, or web app without any distractions, Chrome's full screen mode is perfect. It hides the tabs bar, the address bar, and even the Windows taskbar, so the page you're viewing gets the entire display. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC. It doesn't matter what page you're on. Full screen works the same whether you're looking at a website, your new tab page, or a web app. Once Chrome is open and active on your screen, we'll use the built-in menu to switch views. Look to the very top right corner of the Chrome window and click the three vertical dots. This button is Chrome's main menu, and it sits on the same row as your profile icon and the window controls. When you click it, a drop-down panel will appear with several options you can adjust without leaving the page you're on. Inside that menu, find the section labeled Zoom. You'll see the current zoom percentage, along with minus and plus buttons that make the page smaller or larger. This is also where Chrome places the control for full screen, so keep your eye in that same area. Right next to the zoom percentage, you'll see a full screen icon. Depending on your version, it looks like a hollow square or a pair of diagonal arrows. Click that icon once. Chrome immediately expands to fill your entire monitor, removing the usual browser Chrome and the Windows taskbar. The page content stretches to the edges, and you'll have a clean, distraction-free view. A brief hint may appear at the top edge to let you know you're in full screen. While you're in this view, hover your mouse at the very top of the screen if you need to momentarily see your tabs or the address bar. They'll slide down so you can switch pages or check a URL, then tuck away again when you move the cursor off. This gives you the best of both worlds. Maximum space when you want it, and quick access to controls when you need them. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, locate the Zoom section, and click the full screen icon next to it. With just that one click, you can turn any site into a focused, immersive experience on Windows. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing without distractions.